As a photographer and videographer, we film at a variety of different light settings. That's why it's nice to have a variety of different filters at your disposal, especially ones this nice that come in a sleek little case like this. Right? Comes with 3 filters, as you can see, 256, 64, and 16. It's easy to take off, a little twist to the left, and pop it right off. Super simple. The stock filter has no filter in there, it's just blank. It's nice to have some different options. On a really bright day, you might use 256, and on a day that's really cloudy, you might use something lower to the 16. It's really all your preference of what you like. So let me know in the comments which one you like. Today, we're gonna compare all 3 right here on camera, just like this. We're gonna see what they look like out on a nice, medium bright day. And we're gonna be able to compare all 3 of them together at once. So enjoy the video and let me know what you think in the comments. What is your favorite one? to be generous, 5 stars again. Let me know what your favorite one is down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, this is the Review King signing out.